See how I'm doing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and it's another day, another video. And today I'm here in the same river doing some laundry. As you can see, I have these clothes and I want to do some laundry and take you through the video, because the other video I didn't show you through the whole procedure. So tune in today as I show you what I normally do. So guys, yeah, this is what I want to show you. I have this detergent, Omo. Yeah, we call Omo, and this is what I'm going to use. And I have some soaps. I have this soap here, so I'm just going to use this Omo. Omo is a detergent, type of a detergent, so I'm going to use Omo and this soap. I have here, these are my neighbors, and we've come here to wash the clothes. Yeah, Michelle, can you tell people to subscribe to Mrs. Oyo's channel?
Subscribe to Mrs. Oyo's channels.
Yeah. So what have you come here to do?
I've come here to wash clothes.
Yeah, this is our daily guys, this is our daily African routine. Yeah, we don't have washing machine, so we come here every day to wash the clothes. Yeah, you see there, I have my neighbor there who have also come to wash her clothes. Yeah, so guys, let's continue. I have this brush is for scrubbing my Crocs. I'm going to scrub this to wash my shoes here with this. Yeah, then I have soap. This is just an ordinary soap. Then this is a scrub for scrubbing my body, and this one is made from a sack. Okay, I have this. This one is for scrubbing my legs. Okay, let's do this. So first of all, I'm going to wash my head. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to use this soap and a scrubber. I'm going to scrub my body like this. Yeah. African village life. I have to wash my head. Oh. Oh. Okay, guys, after that I'm going to pour water on my body. Then
Like this.
So I'm going to take my soap and a body scrub. This is a scrubber. So I'm going to put soap on it, and I'm going to scrub my body very well. You see how I'm doing? Yeah, guys, this is how we do it. So I'm going to scrub my body very well. I'm going to add soap, enough soap. But this is pouch. So guys, I think you are able to see. Yeah, from the back you do like this, because we just do like this. Yeah, this is our African village life, and I love my cultural. So I'm going to pour water to remove this soap. Wow, the water is so cool. I hope so so guys, I'm going to take a brush and wash my shoes. You see? Okay, for the feet, I'm going to take this scrubber. I'm going to scrub my leg.